Okay, take two because I messed up bad last time. No one would have known if I didn't say so, but I did. So, which one am I on? Nope. B is 2, C is 3, and the angle is 40. So just filling in all of our information. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find this C because I have the opposite side here, and I'm going to use B. A, I have nothing. I'm going to have to get to that last. All right, so I know the sine of 40 over 2 is going to be the sine of C over 3. So that's going to tell me that the sine of C is 3 times the sine of 40 degrees divided by 2, which is about what now? Just typing this into my calculator. I got 0.964. And so that means that I know C is going to be the inverse sine of that. 74.62. Yeah. The 74.62. Right. But remember, anytime I took the law of sines, I took the inverse sine of something, you have to consider the possibility of this obtuse angle case. 105.38. And I'm also going to go ahead and note that if I did 40, the other angle, plus 105.38, I get 145.38. So that's less than 180. So yes, this is possible. And the second one here, that one I did earlier, this one, it ended up not being possible to have that third angle that I did. So I knew it was only going to be one. But now this other angle is in fact possible. So I know I'm going to have two triangles. So I'm going to say 74.62 or the 105.38. All right. So I suppose what I should do is make myself two different triangles, and let's make myself two columns so I can. Here's one possibility, just getting everything that I had from before. So B was 40. I have 74.62 as a possible C. And I guess A would be 180 minus 40 minus 74.62, which is 65.38. And that looks awful. And this one over here, where this was 40, this was 105.38. And I would say A is 180 minus 40 minus 105.38, which is 34.62. So two possible triangles here. So just to get remembering this beat, so this was 2 and 3, 2 and 3 either way. All right. So the last thing I'm going to do is figure out what this A is. So this side A. So in this case right here, I'm going to say the sine of 40 over, what is it, 2? Yeah. Is equal to the sine of 65.38 over the A. And so A is 2 times the sine of 65.38 divided by the sine of 40. About 2.83. And over here, I'm just going to use this other one. So I'm going to say the sine of 40 over 2 is equal to the sine of 34.62 over A. Which is 1.77. So those are our two possible triangles. So just to reiterate, it's right here. It's really anytime I had to take this inverse sine of something, I'm going to have two possible angles. Well, we had the one case, which was the first one. It's all erased now. But when I took the inverse sine, I got no solution, right? That was because this number was bigger than 1. So that wasn't going to be a triangle. Couldn't have happened, right? The other case is I took my inverse sine, and when you added the resulting other angle that it could have been with my 40 or whatever they had literally given me, it went over 180, and that couldn't have happened. So we only had one possible triangle. The other case is this one, where I both of these angles with my, 40, are still less than 180 and still give me possible A's. On the last one, right, you would have tried to do 180 minus this one minus your other angle, and you would have gotten a negative angle, and they're not going to be negative angles in this case. But when you have the two possible C's, you just go through and you solve each one of these triangles. So this is when we have two possible triangles. So maybe I should say your answer in this case is both of these. If I can write, yes, both triangles possible. So always watch out for that. Other than that, I suppose I will see y'all all on Friday.